Kia ora whanau. So today we're travelling from New Zealand to Dubai. We're on an 18-hour flight today in the A380 Emirates Airbus, and we're travelling business class. So I thought I'd, go check it out. It's my first time, and do a bit of review on what you can and can't do in business class. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is in no way endorsed by Emirates. It's purely my experience and my opinion on the experience. Now, as a part of business class, we get complimentary use of the Emirates Business Lounge. And yeah, so we're going to head through customs and go to the lounge, see what that's all about. Alright, this is my first time in a business class lounge of any airline, and I've just been told the buffet and the bar free, everything's complimentary, so help yourself.
Is now boarding. All passengers should complete departure processing and go to gate 15.
Alright, we just got the call. It's time to start boarding our plane. Leaving the lounge, had a pretty good time, and go hop on board now. Here's my cozy little spot here. Already got the complimentary champers. So I've just taken my seat and it is roomy. Like, there's someone behind me and I feel uncomfortable. I feel like I'm in his space. It's phenomenal, really. Someone who's never been on business class, it's wicked. In-flight entertainment, so I've been told this is a 23-inch screen. Here you go for size comparison. I think I'm set right there, baby. Oh yeah, that's definitely a bit of me. So upon sitting down, not only is it roomy, but we've already been given a few complimentary items. They've given us this little gift bag. We'll put some pieces in here. I've also been given a wine and food menu. But what do we got here? There's so many options here. It's not just beef or chicken up here. What do we have? Grilled beef steak, Béarnaise sauce. It's endless. Light bites, breakfast, mocktails, soft drinks. I thought this was a blind you pull up, and I was like, oh, hang on, it won't go up. No, if you hold down. Oh, stop it. And now it's night time. Now down here, because there's no storage down below, you've got to either put stuff up top, or to be just that much more convenient, you get your own little compartments. So I've got my jacket, laptop in there, got a pillow, Beats by Joe, not just the little earbuds, you get over-ear headphones. But yeah, this is only the start, we haven't taken off yet, and I'd like to show you around the rest of the plane, see if we can get down to the lounge. Got a long 18-hour flight to Dubai, but we're not short of things to do on here. I don't think you can get bored on this flight. Incredible.
Welcome aboard this Emirates A380 service, flight 449 bound for Dubai International Airport.
Alright guys, so they're just starting to serve dinner. Now the dining on here is wicked. I showed you the menu before. Now I ordered the traditional Arabic pizza. I think that's how you say it. Looky here. Real cutlery. Beautiful cuisine. A couple drinks and a movie. Doesn't get much better than this. For the main, grilled beef steak with Béarnaise sauce. Oh, let's go. Oh, check that out. Nice bank in the middle. Damn. Eating well at 40,000 feet. Okay, so right now everyone's sleeping. We're trying to. So I don't really feel like sleeping just yet. We're gonna go do some exploring. So we'll check out the lounge, eh? We managed to have a few hours down at the lounge, and I think it was time for a sleep. I just wanted to show you what they give you in regards to your seat and having a sleep. So they've given me this little mattress, just another layer of padding when you choose to lie down and have a nap. They've got a few settings on the chair here. So obviously seated position. If you want to lay back just a little bit, but not, you know, not completely. And then you've got lying down. You can also choose to move the seat forward and back, closer to the screen, whatever you prefer. They've made it so you can be comfortable in every way, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna lie it down and we'll crash out for a few hours. So there we have the seated position, and I'm just going to lie it down. There we have it. Throw our little mattress on top. Well, time for a nap. Had a pretty good sleep, and a bit of an OJ, and thought I'd show you guys ICE. Now ICE stands for Information, Communication and Entertainment, and here on Emirates they take the entertainment very seriously. They've got over 4,500 things you can do on here, from music, games, movies, TV shows, podcasts. You can't get bored on this flight, seriously. They also give you the added comfort of these over-ear headphones as opposed to the little dainty ones, and it's got pretty good sound, and yeah, it's just so much more enjoyable, more comfortable. Now initially, I personally could not for the life of me figure out where my tray table comes from. I thought, is it under here? Is it, you know, pull out? No. Does it come out the side? But it's actually seamlessly designed right there. So you've got your 23-inch screen there for watching movies. I've also given you the option of a tablet. Yeah, do some stuff on there, whatever. You've also got this little remote control. If, like me, you're too lazy to get up and touch the touchscreen, oh, there we go. You just use the remote. If we have a better look over here, you've got charging points, headphone jack, USB down bottom. You got a little bit of a mini bar. Turn the light off if you want. Slide this up, grab whatever you want. Up here, so it's got socks and eye shades. A bit more relaxation. Emirates has gone above and beyond all my expectations. This is incredible. Everyone's up and at it, and it's time for breakfast. Alright, I just gotta say, I got the garlic tomato, cheese, bacon, omelette, and baked beans. It's the best omelette I've ever had, seriously. Sorry, Mum. Alright, we're about 40 minutes away from Dubai now. It's been an incredible journey. The amount of stuff they have on board for you to do. I don't know where the last 17 hours have gone. The ability to lie down and sleep, so comfortable. Got the lounge down the back, that burned up a few hours. and then I probably got through 4 new movies, and oh man, I don't know how I'm going to go back to cattle class. It's just, I highly recommend flying business class with the Emirates A380. The team here is so friendly. No worries. Very helpful crew. Doesn't matter what time it is, the entire flight. If you need anything, they get it for you. Just like that. And, you know, it's just been a great time. The flight's gone so quick, and it's time to go. Okay, so what I failed to mention earlier, this is actually our first flight. We've got a connecting flight from Dubai to London, landing at Gatwick Airport, and we've got a 3-hour laydown in Dubai. While we're there, we might even have a quick wash. It's been a long flight, but could use a bit of a freshen up. Yeah, stick with me and we'll check out the lounge in the next flight. Alright, so we've just landed in Dubai. Gonna go catch a connecting flight to London through to Gatwick, and yeah, go chill out in the Emirates lounge again. Back again. Alright, we're just camping out now for the moment, and just waiting on a shower. There's a bit of a queue, so yeah, just wait patiently. Alright, here we have it. Home personal shower, toilet, basin, complimentary spa towel, and little mat for the floor, some hand towels, got a shaving kit, dental kit, comb, shower cap, the whole ordeal. Yeah, so we'll have a quick freshen up and go find a bite to eat, and maybe have a couple more drinks while we wait. Check this out. For you fellas who don't know how to wash your ass. Alright, our layover in Dubai is pretty much over. So the first leg's down, 18 hours from Auckland to Dubai, and now we've got another 8 hours from Dubai to London, flying business class on the Emirates A380. Alright, we've boarded our next flight, same exact setup. During the daytime probably would have made a good better video, but my battery's about to die and I didn't bring my charger, so we just have a quick look around the cabin. One thing I did notice but forgot to mention on the last flight, I was sitting relatively same position, and right on the wing it's so quiet, unbelievably quiet, you cannot hear the plane. Other than the air conditioning going, that's really the only noise in here. Lunchtime here on our second leg. Good bit of smoked salmon. Gotta have no shame to get some good footage around here. Time for another nap. Check this out. Alright, we've just touched down in London, and that ends our travelling in business class with Emirates. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and yeah, tell us what your favourite feature is. Sweet.